Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing some camping or glamping, whatever you want to call it. Sporting the Camping with Steve gear here. We're going to set up the tent site here. It's going to be something that's a little less camping, a little more glamping. So I hope you enjoy this. We're going to take it from this to this. Hey guys, I fought with tent stakes so much that I'm so fed up with them. Every time they bend, especially in this gravel. So got these from Amazon. Then I screw in tent stakes. It comes with a bit for your impact driver. And all you do, you hold the orange, put it on your driver, you get your tent where you want it, and just go. Not going anywhere. Three hours and 47 minutes and still not done. It would be nice and relaxing if it wasn't for the geese. Got all the tents set up. About to start doing all the electrical and the kitchen, putting in the sink, the fridge, the air conditioner. The Wanderlust handy wife will be here later this evening. So we're just relaxing for a few minutes before we get back to work. We should get out, spend some time outdoors. All right, it's about time to finish my break and get back to work. Hey guys, after about 6 hours of work, we have the campsite fully set up. I'm gonna give you a quick tour of it so you can see everything that we've been doing. Out here we have a nice courtyard, so we have our kitchen, and then we have Henry's tent, and then we have our tent behind us. The Wanderlust handy sign is down in the creek already, or the river. We have our fire ring here, and don't worry, we're not gonna burn that trash. And then we have a nice little sitting area here with the Wanderlust handy wife, who always loves being on camera, just so you know. All right, so we're gonna go into the main tent now. So we have our air conditioner here. It's ugly, but it works. Keeps the tent nice and cool. And then we have our inflatable couch, which is wonderful. And then we have two beds over here. We have her bed, which is obviously nice and pretty. And then we have my bed, functional. She likes to add a few touches like a essential oil diffuser over here, make it a little more homey. So sitting down on the couch, and it's actually quite comfy. You wouldn't think an inflatable couch would be, but it is. So there you go. That's what 6 hours setting up will do for you. The campground is super nice. It's a KOA Holiday, and it's in Swannanoa, North Carolina, which is just east of Asheville. It's got a couple lakes you can go fishing on, whatever you want to do. Nice little camp store.
Hello out there, everybody. So I'd like to take a minute to promote my channels at Smooth-Squid, of course. And you also have the Krusty Krab Society, which is me and a group of friends.